Students, so far we have discussed about aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, their examples, the orientation and reactivity of the groups which are being attached with the benzene ring, introduction of the third group. Now, we discussed that in case of benzene, the group which is already attached on the benzene ring will direct the incoming electrophile to attack at the ortho, meta or para position. So the groups are being classified into two categories. One is the ortho-para directing and the second one is the meta directing. And other categories, either that will be activating or that will be deactivating. Now, there are some more aromatic system on which we have all the rules similar to that of benzene ring. So aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction can also happen in those molecules as well, and these molecules are maybe we are having pyrrole, we are having naphthalene. If we am talking about hydrocarbons, we are having naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene is there. If we are talking about heterocyclic compound, we are having pyrrole, right? We are having thiophene. So what will be the orientation in the system other than the benzene? So today we will discuss about the orientation in those aromatic system which are come under the category that the aromatic compound other than benzenes. So first of all, I want to discuss about the naphthalene. So in case of naphthalene, in this chart we have some reactions, and these are the reaction that can takes place in case of naphthalene. First of all, I want to classify that which position is 1, which is 2, second, third and 4. This is your position number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So basically, if I am particularly concerned about naphthalene, position number 1 and position number 2 are reactive in case of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, nitration of this naphthalene, the nitration will usually happen at first position. So 1 nitronaphthalene will be synthesized. If I am particularly concerned about bromination, in presence of acetic acid and water, 50% solvent this have been taken, it will produce a mixture of 1 bromonaphthalene and 2 bromonaphthalene, in which the attack at first position will be 99% and attack at second position will be 1% only. If I am talking about acylation, that is attack of CS3CO positive group on the naphthalene ring, that will 75% will be attack at first position and 25% attack will be at second position. But here we have basically, if I am talking about acylation reaction, there are two acylation reaction. One is taking place in presence of CS2, right, and one is taking presence in a particular solvent at 25 degrees Celsius. In this reaction, we are having 75% attack at first position and 25% attack at second position. But here, in this particular example, we are having only attack at second position. There is no attack at first position. So this is the difference. Then sulfonation at 120 degrees Celsius and at 160 degrees Celsius. So again, this is temperature dependent. At 120 degrees Celsius, the attack happen at first position, and at high temperature, slightly high temperature, 160 degrees Celsius, if I am talking about, that will happen at the second position. So this is the orientation. Now how we can drive this orientation that particularly attack is happening at first position or the second position. Here is the resonating structure of both the attacks. If attack happen at first position, at that time you can see that this is the attack at first position, and after attacking, this will be the cation that have been synthesized, and this cation, resonance stabilized. When this electron pair will move here, it is the C positive. Now come to this one. If attack happen at second position, at that time, when X is the electrophile and that attack at the second position, this is the only electrophile that have this is the only carbocation that have been generated, and now there will be no resonating structure at all from this one. So if we talk about, or we talk in terms of the resonating structure, in case of naphthalene, we can clearly see that the preferred site of attack in case of naphthalene is first as comparison to second. Reason being, attack on first position will produce a aranium ion, will produce a carbocation that is stabilized by resonance, means that is having more resonating structure as comparison to attack at second position. So in case of naphthalene, if I am particularly talking about the naphthalene only, the preferred attack will happen at first position as comparison to second position. Now come to phenanthrene, and we know that phenanthrene, for example, if we are concerned about the nitration reaction only, this is an example that the nitrated and sulfonation is also taken, and the products are generally a mixture of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9 substituted phenanthrene. This is the position 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if I am particularly concerned about nitration and sulfonation of the phenanthrene ring, at that time generally we get a mixture of 1, 2 product, 3, 4 and 9 substituted, right? So these all positions are really active in case of phenanthrene. And if I am particularly concerned about phenanthrene ring can also undergo the addition reaction as well, and that addition reaction can happen at 9th position, right? 9, 10th are the positions in case of phenanthrene ring which are reactive, and they are reactive in case of addition reaction as well. So this is unlike the benzene cannot undergo the addition reaction, but phenanthrene at position number 9 and 10 can undergo the addition reaction as well. For example, this is being written here that addition and 9 substitution, 9, 10 addition will happen and 9 substitution product will be synthesized. So this is the position in case of phenanthrene. If I am particularly talking about phenanthrene only, then 9th, 10th position can also be occupied, first, second position can also be occupied, third, fourth position can also be occupied. And if we are concerned about the addition reaction, then the addition will particularly happen at position number 9 and position number 10. Here are some examples that bromination is particularly taking place. So this bromination is taking place at this 9th position, and this will form the cation, this will form the carbocation, and this carbocation can also react with the Br negative and will get converted into the adduct. Addition product will be synthesized, and either it will lose the H positive and will get converted into the substituted product, and the substitution will particularly happen at 9th position. So this is the case of phenanthrene. In case of anthracene, again we know that anthracene can also react with the benzene, because benzene can also be trapped by using anthracene. So again the position number 9 and 10, the position number 9 and 10 are enough reactive in case of anthracene, and they can also undergo the addition reaction, right? And if we are particularly talking about nitration and halogenation, the 9 substituted product will be formed in case of anthracene. So in case of anthracene and phenanthrene, the 9th substitution will happen. In case of addition reaction, in both the cases, anthracene and phenanthrene, 9-10 addition will happen. So this is the case of particularly aromatic system only, right? And aromatic hydrocarbon, if I am I'm talking about it very frankly, that this is the aromatic hydrocarbon. What happen if we are taking the example of heterocyclic compound? I think you have studied, for example, in case of pyrrole, if I am talking about, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at second position, right? Because at second attack you are having more resonating structure as comparison to attack at third position, right? So we can drive it very easily. There is no problem that in case of pyrrole we are having attack at second position, not at third position. So this is the case, this is the orientation in case of aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Now we will discuss about the ipso attack. And what do you mean by ipso attack? Generally, what will happen in case of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction? That the electrophile will replace the H positive from the benzene ring or from the aromatic system. That is the replacement of H positive only from by the electrophile. If particular electrophile will attack on any group, right, that is already present in the benzene ring, at that time it will be called as the ipso attack. For example, this is a case. We are having two CH3 group which are being attached at the para position to one another, and this particular substrate is allowed to react with NO2 positive. Now NO2 positive means nitration is allowed to happen at this substrate. Nitration will happen ortho to this CH3 group or ortho to this CH3 group. Clear? And this is not allowed to replace the already present CH3 group. This is a very rare chance, right? And if this NO2 positive will replace the CH3 group which is already present on the benzene ring, at that time it will be called as the ipso substitution. Generally, for ipso substitution, if I am talking about, there is two requirements. And what are these two requirements? The requirement is strongly activating group. It must be present in the aromatic system, right? Means that will strongly activating the ring for the reaction. And the second point about the ipso substitution is there should be a good living group. So if these two conditions are satisfied, at that time we can say that ipso substitution will happen in case of aromatic system. Now I was talking about this substrate, that in this case we are having two CH3 group which are attached with the benzene ring, but NO2 positive is not replacing the CH3 group. Instead, it will attack to the ortho position of the CH3 group. Now I am taking a case of this particular group, that is, this is para-thymine, in which we are having isopropyl group attached at the para position to this CH3 group. When this is allowed to react with NO2 positive, means electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, nitration is allowed to happen at this surface. At that time you can clearly see that 10% of the product will be synthesized as the ipso substitution, in which this particular isopropyl group was replaced by NO2 positive, whereas the rest will be 82%, means majority of the product will be synthesized by attack of NO2 positive at the ortho position with respect to CH3 group, because this is a bulky group, and only 8% product will be synthesized by attack of NO2 positive at the position ortho to this bulky group, isopropyl group. Now what will happen? What is happening here? only 10% product is being synthesized as the ipso substitution. Reason being, this particular isopropyl group was attached with the benzene ring, and that can be eliminated out easily in the form of propene, right? But in our previous example, in this example, we cannot replace the CH3. So there must be a good leaving group attached to the benzene system that can be eliminated out. If we are having a good leaving group, at that time the reaction can happen very rapidly, and fast rate of reaction will be observed in case of ipso substitution. Otherwise, ipso substitution will not happen. H positive will be replaced by the electrophile. So this is the case that we are having this one, and it can be eliminated out very easily. Some of the leaving group that I can say, that is trimethyl silyl group, it can be eliminated out, right? So if this is present in the benzene system, it will undergo ipso substitution reaction, right? For example, we are having two groups, and these are fluorine hydroxyl is attached, and we are having iodine and hydroxyl group is attached to this one. Out of these two, which substrate will show the ipso substitution reaction? Now just see the condition. There are two conditions, that there must be a strong activating group. So in both the cases, this case as well as this case, same activating group is here, that is hydroxyl group. But we are having two different leaving group, one is fluorine and second one is iodine. So iodine being a better leaving group, so this particular substrate will undergo the ipso substitution, and this particular substrate will will undergo the replacement of H positive by the electrophile. So that is about the ipso substitution. Means if the substitution particularly happen at the benzene ring at the position which position is already occupied by any substituent attached at the benzene ring, at that time we can say that this particular reaction is a substitution reaction.